Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my videos and my last video, you'll know that this is my bedroom before I started painting and decorating, and so time to reset after the painting and putting panels. Time to put the bed together and prepare for autumn or coming winter. As you know, we are almost or have left summer and the rooms are now getting very cold, and so I decided to give the bedroom a makeover and bring my quilt back. I've packed my quilts like for a long time now, and so this is the first time I'm going to put it back into the bed, like put the quilt covers on it and make it all cozy and comfortable. I like to come back to a cozy warm room because I do a work that is very stressful. So when I come back to my home, I want my home to feel very welcoming and cozy, soft. Like when I go into my bed, I want to forget all the stress and all the days work that I've done. So I like my bedroom to look just the way I want it, very cozy for me. So this is a quilt that I'm putting onto the bed. I bought this cover, and then the pillowcases, they are set from Vinted, I think. Yeah, for a while ago now. It's been there over a year. I've been using, so it's not new. Nothing on the bedding is new. The only thing that is I've not used before is the pillowcases that are behind, looking a bit cream or brown. I've not used them before because I've packed them down a long time. So just putting everything together, make sure they all look okay. So putting all that down, I'm now going to put my throw on. I got this throw from online home shop. I think I did a video on it, the few things I got from there. I had another green one which I have in my living room. Yeah, if you've watched my living room video, this is the black one that I bought that day. So now using it, I've been using it for a long time, but I'm just going to use it to decorate this bed because I want to put some more like strong colors in it. As you can see, the bed is black and the picture frame there is a bit black, and a few little touches of black into it. So this theme right now is black and warm colors going to it, and cream. Yeah, that's what I'm going for now. So that's what I'm just putting all together now. So my plan is to make the bedroom look a bit like like artistic, like neutral black, soft colors, not going for like so much dark, else the bedroom will be too black. I thought of painting the top, the one that looked cream black, but I changed my mind on that. Maybe in future I may think of painting it black. I don't know, maybe change the bed to like cream, you know what I mean, like contrast. Yeah, so that's why I left the bed like that and paint that one cream. It looks okay. It brings a lot of light into the room, if you know what I mean. I don't want my bedroom to look that dark, like I'm yeah, I like a lot of light. So that's what I'm just doing now, decorate the bedroom and all that, put everything together. And I got a few things to decorate the side of the bed, bedside unit. I got some bit flowers from Vinted, and then also from Temu. So that little black kind of decorative stuff I'm touching there is from Temu. It's like a wooden kind of a chain lock like that. Yeah, I bought it about £4 or so, or 5, I can remember the price, on Temu. And that plant I'm holding, I got a like a tube or a plant stand that I'm going to put inside in the corner. They're very small, kind of like a bucket, because there is no much space in there. So I don't want something that'll be too big to hold it, like plant pot, you know what I mean. Yep. And this is what I also got from Temu. It looks so pretty. It looks like a natural fresh kind of flowers. So I'm going to put it in there to give it some more light, but then I'm going to change it soon into a bit warmish, like brownish kind of flower, but I want this one at the moment. Anyway, that look like a summer one, but I want it, I like it how it looks. So anyway, I'm just this candle is from Aldi. I bought 2 of them, about £3 one each, I think. It has like a lid on top, but I took the lid off, and I have one at both side of the bed, but I don't want the whole bedroom like to look just plain. So that's why I decided to add the candle and add some diffusers. And this decorative book is also from I think AliExpress, if I'm right, one of them. Yeah, I bought it a long time ago. It's been in my living room, and so this is how that side, this is my side of the bed, and so this is how it looks. I like all the freshness and stuff to it. Anyway, so I think I mentioned about this light lamp that is sitting there before, that I got from Facebook about 2 years ago. Yeah, I got it from Facebook anyway. So that's how my side of the bed looks. And the light I have there, they have like different kind of colors. So in the night when you're coming to bed, you can put it on and change any color you want, and give the theme of the bedroom that it's just like so cozy. Yeah, I like some bit of color in it. And then as you can see, there's a big light there. I changed my main lights too, and that is the most favorite thing I've like kind of bought and I like so far. Also bought from eBay. So the other side of the bed also has a kind of a candle, and well, as I said, the kind of heart-shaped kind of wood. So just spraying in some kind of room freshener into it to make the whole place cozy. So this is how it looks now. I know it's not like really set, but it's still really good and comfortable for me. This throw I got is from Dusk. Yeah, I got it from Dusk. Yeah, so that's another new thing that I bought. And this bedside unit I DIY'd. I've said a lot about it. It's on my channel if you want to go and check it out. It's an old chest of drawers that I DIY'd and put my little stuff inside, and this is how my side of the bed looks. And I'm going to turn it around to the other side so that you can see how the top of the whole bed looks. So that is the light, the same at the other side, so you can choose to like put on your own color anytime. So this little cushion I also bought it from the cream one. I bought it from Temu, about £2 or so. So I can't remember the price of most of the things. And this is how the duvet cover looks, also like with its own style, and that is how that side is looking, very comfortable. So let's go to the top. At the top there I have a picture hanging. If you remember my living room decor that I did, I have 4 of these pictures hanging. I bought that frame from IKEA a long time ago, 4 sets of it. So hanging it there, it break out the space, empty space that is on top of the bed, and it also gives some bit of a theme to the room. It has brown and cream and black. So these curtains I got from Amazon. I've had it over almost 6 months now. It's a blackout curtain. I mean, when you close it, it totally goes black. Proper black curtains. Yeah, so that's the first of the blackout curtains I've ever bought and I like. So this is the other side of the bed, which is my partner's, how it looks. And I love this chest. I can't stop crashing on this chest. So bringing this closer, this is how it looks. Not too big, but really nice. And that book that everything is sitting on, I DIY'd it myself. Is a proper book that I covered. And this is the plant I was talking about. This is how it looks when you come closer. It looks like a proper plant. It looks really good when you are far away from it, look like a real plant. And so that's how that side also looks. And I love this bedroom, how it is looking now, the coziness of it, the warmthness of it. And let's go to this side, my makeup side. Remember my DIY? So well, it's still intact, and I'm thinking to paint this. I think I changed my mind to paint it to cream instead of black, so that the bedroom doesn't go all dark. So this is my side. Everything is all like, ready for me to have a warm shower and go to bed. And so this is the light I was talking about. You see that I got it on eBay for £18 without the bulbs, and then when you add all the bulbs, it's about £24, which is really cheap. I mean, affordable for its price. So this is how it all looks, just going closer to the curtain so that you can actually see it. Look like natural, like, you know what I mean, natural kind of a curtain. So that is it. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my autumn reset, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain.